passing chord you can add to this particular song that I'm about. If it's your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll be in the key of F. Okay, so in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7 and the 1. Okay, also the same as the do, the re, the mi, the fa, the so, the la, the ti and the do. Okay, so we are playing this song. Okay, so most of you got it. You deserve the glory. Let's check the basic one. Okay. Okay. Deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands in worship as we praise your holy name. The song goes from a simple progression. Okay, so the 1, then the 7 to the 6 to the 3 to the 4. Then here you can do a passing chord, the 3, 6 to the 2, then 5, alright, then 1. Okay, so that is a progression that runs through this particular song. Okay, this is just the progression. Okay, so let me show you what we want to add. Okay, so we're gonna pick the passing chord from the song that we learned. Okay, so what am I doing? Okay, so what can we do? We are approaching the 6. Okay, we know that the song started on the 1, then the 7, okay, to the 6. Okay, first thing I did, which you can do. Okay, so you are great, all right, or you can do a 7-3-6. Okay, so the first one, then all right, or you can also choose to do a 7-3-6 here. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, so let's check what I'm doing. Okay, so let's check what I'm doing. I'm doing this. Then 7-3-6. The 7-3-6. Okay, I'm doing the G and the D on the left. Right hand is doing the D, G, and B flat. Then I did. All right. Okay, so I'm doing the A, E, A on the left. Right hand is doing the F, B flat, D. Okay, for the first chord, F, B flat, D. Alright, then this F sharp, F, B, and E flats. Okay, alright, then alright, so we do over chords. Okay, so this one is okay, the C, F, E, then over the 6, the D and A. Right hand is doing the C, E, and J. Okay. You remember that it's from the 1, 5, 6, then 3. Okay, so the 3, we're gonna learn a passing chord. Okay, I don't want us to play this 3. Alright, so if you play it will be like it will not sound nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you a passing chord you can do here. Okay, so what is that? So okay, okay, so you saw what I did. Okay, so that is 2, 5, 4. Okay, 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 so I did it. Okay, that is 2, the 5, then 4. Alright, 2, 5. Alright, so okay, so so what is that? I did the F, E flat. Okay, but before I hit that chord, I did this. You can choose to do the G only. Then you do. So what is that? I'm doing the B flat and the G. Alright, B flat and the G, the A and the F on the right. Okay, over the F. Then so that is I flip from the C to the D. Okay. Okay. I'm having problem with my sustain. That's why sometimes. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. Any song you want me to break down, just comment down below in the comment section. If I get to see it, I'm gonna break it down. Okay, God bless you all. Bye.